Guess what time it is? It's big, holy moly, cake soap time. Woo, look at that. That smells like chocolate. Now that I'm thinking of it, I should have done red, like that look like little cherries. It's like, I want it to look like little chocolate on my chocolate cake. Hi, it's my friend again. So, Lachlan. Hi. Eric. Oh. Oh. No. Don't poke my soap. Enough. Okay, that's gonna be on video now. Nobody's gonna want to buy it. Okay, yeah, that's close enough. Oh, I'm gonna peel this off. So this is the finished cake. Ooh. I'd just take the whole thing in my bath. This is gonna be the tricky part. Trying to cut it accurate. How do we do this? Straight. Oh. It's two pieces of pie here. 4 pieces of pie. Can I cut through this? I can. Would you look at that? I didn't know I could cut through the little dumplings on the top. But I can. Lovely. What's better than eating pie? Bathing in pie. There we have chocolate cream pie soap. Yum, yum, yum.